What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now today's video, I thought every month we do just one of top 10 Android apps. Why not do a second one and see how it performs? Well, today we're checking out 10 more amazing applications that you guys should definitely download, and if that interests you, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first app is called Block Sites, and as the name suggests, it's a really cool app with which you can block websites as well as different applications, either for a specific period of time or for a specific period of the day using the work mode functionality. So basically the way the app works is that you can block different apps and different games and also adult sites, but let's be honest, you're not going to do that. But anyway, you can block these different apps, and whenever you try to open them during your work time or for the period that you have set it on, you won't be able to access the application no matter what you do. There's also a setting which lets you prevent from letting the application being uninstalled, so you can turn that on too in case you think someone's gonna uninstall this app if they can't open your other apps. But either way, it's a really cool one, so definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright, next up we've got an application called My Phone Time, and basically it's an application with which you can analyze how many times you have unlocked your phone and how many hours you've been using your phone for, and what are your phone using patterns, the apps that you use the most for, and your daily usage. So basically this is aimed at essentially reducing the amount of time we use our phones for daily, and there are a lot of settings that you can toggle, and it also tracks your app usage. So essentially you can see how much time you've spent on particular applications throughout the day in a graph manner and in various other types of infographics. It's a really cool application, so definitely check it out. Alright guys, next up we've got a weather application like nothing you've seen before. This is Appy Weather, and essentially if you want a weather application that also gives you a lot of information and looks really well, I think this is the one to go for. You've got your proper location, your daily forecast, your weekend, your timeline, your hourly forecasts mixed in this really cool material design, dark AMOLED vibe that looks really good. You can also go to the settings and change all the units and the date and time and the appearance, and I've kept it a system, and since I'm running on my dark mode on my S10, therefore the app's theme is also dark. It's a really good application that also performs and looks really well. There's also a widget option, but to use it you need to purchase the pro one, but in my opinion the free one is more than enough for you to get started with, so definitely check it out. Alright, so if you want to send applications or softwares or basically any sort of document up to 2.5 GB without really signing up anywhere and just entering your friend's email ID and selecting the file that you want to send, well, Firefox Send is the one that's going to let you do all of this very easily. And the best part, you don't even have to sign up into Firefox itself as long as the files you're sharing are under 2.5 gigs, and if they're more than that, you can create a free account and send files up to 10 GB if I'm not wrong. It's a really cool application which also happens to be free, so definitely check it out. Alright, so next up we've got an application called App Sales, and essentially this is your second best Play Store app on steroids, meaning that whatever apps that were earlier paid on the Play Store and are now free will be shown on this application, and you can also see the different applications which are on sale in the different Play Stores. So basically you can download free icon packs, free games, and also get a lot of discount on the other apps that are paid on the Play Store. So any app that was earlier paid and has a discount will let you be accessed using this application, and honestly I think this is a really cool one for everyone that wants to stay updated with the latest and the free apps and know what's going on in the Play Store, so definitely check it out. So if you've ever wanted to basically schedule your Instagram posts or your next 10 Instagram posts automatically and just be done with 10 days of your Insta feed, then I think this next application called Buffer is going to be the one for you. So this is Buffer, and essentially you can log into your Twitter, Instagram and Facebook on this application, set up different posts, preview them, add your caption and schedule them for whenever you want them to be uploaded on the actual platform. You can see your latest posts, you can see your past reminders, and you can also log in to different accounts such as Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn and Pinterest, and you can do the same for each of these applications. If you're trying to maintain an Instagram feed, if you're trying to do daily uploads, I think this is a really smart way to get all of them done with it at once and then just be done for the next 10 days. It's really cool, definitely check it out. Alright, next up we've got volume panel free, and essentially this is an application that lets you get the new Android 10 volume toggle even if your phone is not running on Android 10. So my Samsung Galaxy S10 hasn't received the Android 10 update yet, and hence I have the old volume rocker animation or the pop-up or whatever. But once you download this application without rooting your phone or doing any of that stuff is so 2006 now that I talk about it. But once you're done with all of this, you can basically toggle your volume buttons and you can see that they perform and look like the ones on the Android 10. You can change obviously the different colors and make it dark mode and left-handed, because I think this looks really cool. And you can also start them collapsed, so basically it will start off as a single one and then you can click on the arrow button to reveal the different volumes that you can toggle right now. It looks really cool and does not crash a lot, so definitely check it out. So I recently got a Mi Band, more on that later, but if you're wanting to know how you can add different watch faces to make your Mi Band 4 look cool, the next application called Mi Band 4 Watch Faces will take your breath away. I mean, I had found something like this back when I used to use a Moto Gen 360 first gen, but right now when I look at it and how easy and seamless it is to install different new watch faces, it's really cool. So basically with this application you can find a plethora of different watch faces that you can set on your Mi Band 4, all with a single tap of a button. Just click on the apply watch face install button and you'll be greeted with a couple of settings that you'll have to figure out. But once that's done, your watch will look absolutely great. And yeah, have fun customizing your Mi Band 4. Alright guys, next up we've got an icon pack, and it's the one that's currently on my home screen right now. Now this is called plain icon pack, and let me tell you how many times I've looked for an icon pack which is just white with a black background or a black silhouette on it, along with a decent collection of wallpapers and widgets, but you're here for the icons. These icons look absolutely great, especially if you have an AMOLED screen where you can show off a dark black wallpaper against them. It performs a really good job with the contrast, and all in all just looks insanely good. I love it and I think it's great, so definitely check it out. Alright guys, last but definitely not the least, we've got an application called Pigments, and Pigments is basically an online color palette generator. And basically the use of this application is whether you're a person who's figuring out the color palette of the short film that you're going to be shooting or a video that you'll be making, or you're a graphic designer or a logo designer and just need different types of colors that either complement each other, and you can also view the colors in different visions depending upon what you select. There are different plus buttons. You can select complementary colors, triadic colors, compound colors and stuff like that, and all you have to do is click on the plus button to add a different color to basically the entire palette, and you can rearrange them as much as you want. You can figure out the different color styles, and all in all, as a creative tool to be used in creative industries, I think this app does a beautiful job while looking great while doing all of it. It's a really cool app, and again it's free, so definitely check it out. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did like it, don't forget to drop a like, comment below which was your favorite application, subscribe to the channel. We are super close to 200k, so if you guys could just hit that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me. Until then, I'll see you guys soon with another video. This is Anubhav signing out. You guys have a great day. Peace out.